Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Prab. For those of you who have seen my previous videos, you might know that I moved to Australia in 2018 as an international student to pursue a master's degree in public health. If you want to know more about my experience in Australia as an international student, you can watch this video. I will also put the link to this video in the description section. Today I'm going to share how I managed to pay off my student loan. Let's get started. A bit of background first. When I graduated, I had a loan of around $50,000. Just after graduation, COVID hit and I lost my part-time jobs, leaving me unemployed for a couple of months. However, I was fortunate enough to find a part-time job in public health and then another part-time role. So my actual loan repayment journey began in November 2020. Over the course of 15 months, I managed to pay off my entire loan. Now let's get to the point. How I paid off my loan. Here are some strategies that helped me. The first one was being consistent with my payments. Every fortnightly, I set aside a specific amount to pay towards my loan. Being consistent with this really helped me to pay off my debt. Cutting expenses. Due to the lockdown, I wasn't spending much of going out or shopping. I also created a budget and splitting my expenses into three parts. The first was the loan payment, then saving for rainy days and PR application and living expenses. Then the third was the extra work. I took on extra shifts whenever possible. I worked in a dental clinic in the mornings and had a full-time job with flexible shifts. This extra income was crucial in paying off my loan faster. So I would recommend try to find like a side hustle or do extra shifts if possible in your case. And then living arrangement. Initially, I lived in a shared house with 4 other people, which helped me save on rent. Later, I moved to a little bit expensive apartment. I know if I hadn't moved to this place, I might have paid off my loan quicker. However, I have no regrets about my decision as I always made sure to save and it didn't affect my loan payments. If you want to pay off your loan as quickly as possible, try to live in a shared apartment or with your parents if it is possible in your case. Now the fifth one was the support system. Emotional support from my parents, siblings and friends was crucial. There were moments when I felt this was never ending, but trust me, just stay consistent with your payments. I always made sure to save enough and my entire focus was to pay this loan as soon as I could. And the final one is treat yourself. Even in this process, don't forget to treat yourself once in a while. This is a journey in itself and small rewards can keep you motivated. Even I remember when I was paying my loan, I did not give up on the things that I love and enjoy to do. So enjoy your life during this process. Now reflecting on my journey, there are a few things I wish I had done differently to make this process smoother and less stressful. Firstly, I wish I had started making payments earlier. Even I was still in university. By paying off the interest during my studies, I could have reduced the overall amount I owed after graduation. This would have been lessen the financial burden and stress I felt once I started working full-time and graduated. Secondly, I often found myself comparing my progress to others, which added unnecessary pressure. It is important to remember that everyone's financial situation is unique and comparing yourself to others can be discouraging. Instead, focus on your journey and celebrate your milestones no matter how small they may seem. Lastly, I wish I had done more research early on. By exploring various financial strategies and resources, I could have found more effective ways to manage my debt from the start. Understanding different repayment options and budgeting technique would have been a significant difference in my approach. Despite these challenges, I learned valuable lessons about financial management, persistence, and the importance of strong support system. If you ask my family or friends, they would tell you I was a big spender before graduation. I think this loan has changed my whole spending habits. Now 80% of the time I spend on things I need rather than want. I started reading self-help books and money management books that not only helped me pay my education loan but also allowed me to do things that I love and enjoy, like traveling, enrolling in exercise programs, saving money for my PR application and the other important projects that I'm passionate about. If you are on a similar journey, remember to be kind to yourself and stay focused on your goals. Before I wrap up, I want to acknowledge how blessed I have been throughout this journey. There were moments when I didn't think I would make it, like finding that first job in my field and then finding a job with a decent salary. I can't thank my amazing parents enough who were so supportive and helped me during my course. This experience has taught me the importance of faith, persistence and gratitude. So those are the strategies that helped me pay off my student loan. I hope you found these tips helpful. Now I wanted to ask you, have you ever had to pay off a large debt? If yes, what strategy worked for you? Please leave them in a comment section. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.